Hey guys, today let's learn how to enable and disable notifications on Slack. And of course, if you want to head on over and disable your notifications, all you need to do, guys, is you could also edit it or rather access it over here through your application, but it's not really that advisable since, it's still not really still. But once you actually edit your notifications from the application itself, it will actually sync with your other devices if you're using a PC. And basically, the notifications on the PC as well will also be paused and disabled. So to do this, all we need to do is to click on our Pro profile, which should be over here in the lower right corner of the screen. And then I want you to click on Pause Notifications. Now you can actually pause your notifications for 30 minutes, maybe 4 hours, or until next week. Or you could also click on a custom date and make it until maybe next year. Just head on over and scroll all the way through. But if you do want only to do it until tomorrow, then click on Until Tomorrow, and then all of your notifications will be paused, and you won't be able to receive any notifications. But if you do want to remove, well-rounded, resume your notifications and remove it all the way through onto this specific device. Well, you could actually head on onto the settings of your iPhone. Scroll all the way down until you see Slack. And then here you could actually disable your notifications and turn them off completely. And that's how you disable. And if you want to enable it again, just click on that and then you design again. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.